Hello, dear students. Today, once again, I am taking lecture on BCom third year, fifth semester subject, Advanced Accounting first, topic number second, Hotel Accounting. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce and Management, People's College Nanded, Maharashtra. This topic is particularly for the students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. I am taking fifth question of this topic. Already I have four question taken of this topic. Question number fifth. The following are the balances from the ledger of Mahesh Hotel on 31st December, 31st March 2020. Font size is not big, hence I am increasing font size. I think now is okay. Question particular rupees. I am increasing column width for better understanding purpose. First item, share capital of rupees 56,865. Next, freehold premises amount rupees 46,800. Glass amount rupees 1,101. Furniture amount rupees 8,934. Next, linen amount rupees 840. Cutlery amount rupees 390. Next, tax and insurance amount is 1,713. Next, salaries amount rupees 2400. Next, wages, amount rupees 4305. Laundry expenses, amount rupees 951. Next, coal and gas, amount rupees 2160. Next, electric, light, 1128. General expenses, amount rupees 1710. Visitors account, 1334. Sorry, 54. 1354. Sundry expenses, sorry, sundry creditors, amount rupees 2575. Next item, stock on 1st April 2021. Sorry, 2019. Stock on 1st April 2019. Under the heading of opening stock, next line, wine rupees 1239. Spirit 378. Beer 165. Minerals 147. Cigar cigars and cigarettes, amount rupees 114. Sundry provision and stores, rupees 183. Coal and gas 150. Next item, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, meat rupees 3627. Fish, amount rupees 3960. Sundry provision and stores 5220. wine 1881, spirits 2190, beers 1152, minerals 1050, cigar and cigarettes 240. These are the items comes under the heading of purchases. Next, sales. Under the heading of sales, wine rupees 300, sorry 3870, 3870, spirit 4335, beer 1863, minerals 2160, cigar and cigarettes 390. These items comes under the heading of sales. Next, charges. In bracket, income. Under the heading of charges, meal rupees 23,829, rooms 9,375, fire in bedroom 582, washing 219. These items comes under the heading of charges or income. Next heading, repairs, renewals and depreciation. Under the heading of repairs, renewals and depreciation, premises amount 348, furniture amount 660, glass amount 609, linen amount 390, cutlery amount 207. These are the items comes under the heading of repairs, renewals and depreciation. Next, cash book debit balance, cash book debit balance. Under the heading of cash book debit balance, bank 8,148, in hand 219. Prepare final account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Stock on 31st March 2020. 31st March 2020 stock means this is the closing stock. This one is the adjustment on closing stock. Why? Rupees 1197 spirits, 333 beers, 174 minerals, 357 cigars and cigarettes, 69 only. Provision and stores, amount rupees 141. Core rupees 99. This one is the question. Now I am taking solution. In the books of hotel, in the books of Mahesh Hotel, profit and loss account, for the year ended 31st March 2020. Debit particular inner column rupees, inner column rupees, inner column rupees, outer column rupees, particular rupees. Debit side. I am increasing column width of particular column. Also increasing amount column width. Then next balance sheet. As on 31st March 2020. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Increasing column width, assets and liabilities, also increasing amount column width. And first item, share capital. Share capital recorded always liability side. Share capital amount rupees 56,865. Freehold premises, glass, furniture, linen, cutlery. These are the items of assets. Hence, I am taking these balance sheet asset side. The next, tax, insurance, salary, wages, laundry expenses, coal and gas, electric light, general expenses. These are the items of profit and loss account. Debit side. I am taking this profit and loss account debit side. 2. Tax and insurance. 2. Salaries. 2. Wages. 2. Laundry expenses. 2. Coal and gas. 2. Electric light. 2. General expenses. But profit and loss account starts with 2 material used opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. How many items? Opening stock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and heading 8, and subheading 9. Yes, I am creating space for these items. These items should be outer column. Then next, visitor account. Visitor account is the item of asset side. Hence, I am taking this asset side of the balance sheet. Then next, country creditor. Creditor is an item of balance sheet liability side. The next item, Opening stock. Opening stock record. Opening stock will be recorded under the heading of to material used. Heading debit side opening to material used under the heading of material used. What is the formula for material used? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So this one is the amount of opening stock. This one is the amount of purchases. This one is the amount of closing stock. Under the heading of material used, I have taken opening stock wine rupees 1239, spirits rupees 378, beers rupees 165, minerals rupees 147, cigar and cigarettes rupees 114 rupees, sundry provisions and stores rupees 183, coal and gas rupees 150. Then purchases under the heading of opening stock, meat is not given, fish is also not given. Hence, I am taking these two items separately to the profit and loss account debit side. Two purchases of meat, outer column, 367, sorry, 3627. Sorry, these items I have not taken in outer column. Second last column I have taken. Now I am taking in outer column. The next item, purchases of fish. Two purchases of fish. Purchases of fish 3960. Then purchases of sundry provision and stores. In that opening stock has given sundry provision and stores. Wine has given, yes. Spirit also given. Beer also given. Mineral also given. Cigar and cigarette also given. Then I am taking one by one. Sundry provision of rupees 5222. I am adding this in that stores amount. The next, wine rupees 1881 purchases. Then next, spirits, adding spirits. Then beers, adding in beers. Then minerals, adding in minerals. Then cigar and cigarettes, adding cigar and cigarettes. Then adding coal. exactly amount of coal? Yes, 50, 150, correct. Cigar and cigarettes, 114, yes. Purchases amount of cigar, 240, adding in cigar, 240. Coal amount is not given in purchases. Hence, coal should be taken directly to the outer column. Yes. Okay. There is no coal purchases. It's vacant. There is no problem. The next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay. The next item, sales. Sales, under the heading of sales, 5 item has given. Sales will be taken profit and loss account credit side by sales. Under the heading of sales, wine rupees 3,870, spirits rupees 4,335, beers rupees 1,863, minerals rupees 2,160, cigar and cigarettes rupees 390. The next item of the trial balance, sales as over charges and income. Income could be recorded to the profit and loss account credit side by charges on income. Under the heading of charges of income, meal rupees 23,829, rooms rupees 9,375, fire in bedrooms 582, washing rupees 219. The next item of the question, repairs, renewals and depreciation. Repairs, renewals and depreciation recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. 2. Repairs, renewals and depreciation. Under the heading of repairs, renewals and depreciation, premises rupees 348, furniture rupees 660, glass rupees 609, linen rupees 390, cutlery rupees 279. Sorry, 207. These all items amount should be outer column. The next, cash book debit balance, cash in hand, sorry, cash at bank and cash in hand. It will record to the under the heading of the asset. Cash in hand or cash and bank, cash at bank is recorded in the asset side balance sheet. I think I guess data has finished. Of ledger is given. Then adjustment, only one adjustment of this. Stock on 31st March 2020. It means this one is the closing stock. Closing stock adjustment has two effects. First effect, asset side under the heading of closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, wine rupees 1,197, spirits rupees 333, beers rupees 174, minerals rupees 357, cigar and cigarettes rupees 69, provision and stores rupees 141, coal rupees 99. Second effect, less from opening stock plus purchases, profit and loss account debit side. I am checking once again sequence of the question. First, in that closing stock, wine, spirits, beer, minerals, cigarette, provision and stores, and coal and gas. Yes, correct. Sequence is correctly. Yes, I can uh, minus direct these amounts from the concerned ledger balances. This is these are the amounts of closing stock. Wine closing stock amount rupees 1,199.97, spirits rupees 333, beers 174, minerals 357, cigar and cigarettes 69, sundry provision and stores 141, coal and gas 99. Now record final amount in a outer column. You can use calculator for this purpose. I am using Excel calculator. Plus 1,239 of opening stock of wine plus purchases of wine rupees 1,881 minus closing stock of wine 1,197. The final amount is 1,923. Same thing with other. Yes, I am taking this formula for this purpose. There is no purchases of coal and gas, hence 150 minus 99. Remaining balance 51. Then all items I have covered. Then I am making total of credit side profit and loss account. There is no need extra long account. I am reviewing these lines. Starting I have taken randomly. Now it's sufficient up to here. All this. Yes. Now I am creating total of credit side. 46,623. Then creating total of debit side 35,907. Credit side is more than debit side, hence minus from credit side debit side amount 46,623 minus 35,907. The difference amount is 10,716. This is the net profit to net profit carried down Net profit transferred to the balance sheet, liability side. Then I am creating total of balance sheet liability side 70,156. Then credit side, sorry, asset side, same total 70,156, 70,156. Balance sheet total 70,156. I hope you have understood this question with answer. Only this is the important part of this question. Material used, opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. This column is I have reserved for opening stock. This column reserved for purchases. This column reserved for closing stock. I have recorded only these purchases which opening stock has given. The rest of the purchases I have taken here separately to purchase of meat outer column, to purchase of fish outer column. Okay, thank you.